What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Ferris here, and today I'm back for a much needed video because I've been seeing too many people trying to sell their ex-girlfriend's nudes on OnlyFans and too many girls selling their nudes for $9.99 a month on OnlyFans with only 5 subscribers, plus too many guys trying to hit a 15 game parlay and going broke. This is a much needed video for the people trying to make some realistic passive income in 2022 without using affiliate marketing, becoming YouTube famous or TikTok famous, or shaking any of your sexual assets online for money. Okay? So, this is a simple, straightforward approach to generating $500 to $1,000 a month in about 10 to 20 hours of work. It's not going to be easy, it's going to take some time, but it is simple, and that's the most important thing. Okay? There's no rigorous training program or competence and specific skill set to do this. All you need to do is be 18 to 65, live in the US, Canada, Western Europe, or Australia. Any other country, you might have issues getting offers. Moreover, you need to be able to click some surveys and complete some offers and follow basic instructions. It's that easy, and possess a computer and smartphone, which you have. So, with all that being said, let's just hop into the thought process and rationale and jump into this video real quick. So the thought process is, as the whole world's moving to working from home, and there's so much chaos going on with the whole pandemic and all the wars going on in Eastern Europe, people need to be flexible at this point, and you want to be able to be flexible with your income to generate money at your own leisure. With that being said, this is the goal. This is the start. You can go further from here. I'm just showing you the door to the passive income way. And it's not really passive. I would say it's more, I would say it's like a lazy form of a part-time job because you're doing it from home. Okay? So, with all that in mind, we're going to use about 4 to 5, maybe 6 websites simultaneously throughout a month to optimize every opportunity and capitalize on every opportunity each service offers us to boost our income. With that being said, most of these are going to be paid out via PayPal, some crypto, and some Amazon gift cards. If you don't like the Amazon gift cards, you can sell them for about 75 cents on the dollar on Paxful.com for cryptocurrency, and then withdraw via their Lightning network, which I'll show you here in 2 seconds. So if you get rewards in cryptocurrency, you just go to this website, Paxful, sell the Amazon gift card, and then you go to your wallet, withdraw via Lightning network, and download the Strike wallet. The link's in the description. Use my referral code, and you'll get $10 for free, and I'll also get a $10 for your referral. And you could just deposit your crypto in here. For every $10 Amazon gift card, you expect to get about $6.70 to $7 for every 10, and then you have that free withdrawal on the Lightning network to your Strike wallet. Okay? With that being said, let's just jump into the first 2 services I recommend, and these are survey websites that are actually killer in terms of their ability to generate income. This is iPoll and Quick Thoughts, and Quick Thoughts is one of the highest rated lifestyle and survey applications on the App Store. If you don't believe me, we'll just Google it here. You'll see that, over 125,000 ratings, 3.3 on the App Store, but great ratings overall on Android. Insane, because it works and it pays very well. Let's talk about iPoll first. iPoll, the first thing you want to do is sign up and complete your profile. If you don't complete your profile, you're not going to get good surveys because they're not going to have a profile to match, survey creators to your specific profile. So you're going to fill out demographic questions, work questions, etc. Once that's completed, you'll have an array of different surveys ranging from $1 all the way up to $7, which was the maximum I've gotten so far. and they usually take about 20 to 25 minutes. With all that being considered, you might say, oh, well, this does not pay so well. Well, the goal is not to hit minimum wage. The goal is to generate the passive, consistent income. If we do about 15 surveys at $4 average a week, we're looking at about $60 a week. $60 a week times 4 is $240. If you do that on iPoll as well, you're looking at $480 from those two services, which is very doable. Okay, these are the surveys I've completed just for transparency purposes, and I have made 2 orders on this website, both which have been paid out on the same date within 5 minutes of my withdrawal by Diana LLC, which is the company that created iPoll and Quick Thoughts. Okay, so these 2 services are highly recommend to use. Fill out your profile for each one. They both use a similar framework. The key difference is Quick Thoughts is a $20 maximum withdrawal per day. You can earn more than that, but you can only withdraw $20. And it only has Amazon or Apple gift cards, while iPoll has PayPal gift cards. Both are instant withdrawals. Moreover, both have consistent surveys and do not boot you out mid-survey as well. So highly recommend these to get those surveys completed and get the ball rolling with that cash. Okay, and I'm going to show you my Quick Thoughts payments over the course of the month. I've activated my account February 4th. As you can see, reward, these are just Amazon gift cards I've already used. Okay, just instant payment. Look, my order summary comes here at 10:12 p.m. I got the gift card 3 minutes later. Okay, and that is consistent throughout the whole thing. 5:09, same time, I got the gift card. Okay, so $20 per day. I've already cashed out nearly $170 within a month on that service. Okay, so those are the 2 services I recommend for surveys. Do not use any other service for surveys. Next thing we're going to talk about is free cash. Free cash and Swagbucks are very similar services. There is another one called Quintuply. I just do not like it or recommend it. The thing with these, the strategy with these 2 websites is to complete the paid or the application offers, which is like you sign up for Gemini and you get $20 for depositing $6 of crypto. You're not spending anything, you're just depositing crypto into an exchange, and you get the $20, a day or 2 later. Just keep in mind with these 2 services, I mean, you can see BetMGM deposit $10, you get $60 32 days later. Just keep in mind with these 2 services, any high paying offer above $5 to $10 will pend for about 30 days. So just don't expect to get that income for a month in advance. But once you have the ball rolling, you do 5 to 7 offers a month on either one of these websites, and those orders will come in. On your 3rd month, you'll just be rolling in. You'll forget that you had offers on pending. So that's my strategy with this. As you can see, I have about $250 of earnings. Okay, I'm not just promoting this because I want to. It's earned me money over the past month, and I still have over. This is 90, so 1,000 coins is $1. This is almost $130 still pending. So that's the caveat with these 2 websites. But with Swagbucks, I've cashed out, I believe, in the last 30 days. Let's see. Order status. Here we go. I've cashed out, let's see, about $65 in the past month here via Swagbucks. So that's 65. You got 250 there. That's 310. And then we have Quick Thoughts, which has 170. That's about 470, 480. iPoll, we're about at like 550 roughly, give or take. So that is that $500 mark with these few websites and few offers available. With that being said, just keep in mind, again, the pending time, and some of these offers are a little tricky, and make sure to always clear your cookies and Understand that not all offers will be credited sometimes if you use free cash, just because it is a little glitchy. Sometimes the advertisers get shady, so that's why I recommend Swagbucks if you want to play on the safe side, because they do have great customer support. With that being said, try free cash out. Links in the description. If you use my referral code, I get like a 5% bonus every time you complete an offer, so that would be an awesome help. Um, all in all, that's pretty much it with that. Again, don't do surveys on that website, just stick to high paying offers. Now, my favorite, user testing. This is a great platform. Sign up for it, link in the description. You just complete $10 offers. As you can see, I have one available here. You finish these little, prerequisite questionnaires that take about 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see, I have a desktop. Next, didn't fill the offer. On to the next one. But they have tons of offers that come out every day, ranging from $10 all the way up to $60. You're probably gonna get successfully through the prerequisite questionnaire maybe 20% of the time, but with the amount of tests available, say they have 100 tests available a day, you do 20 at a $10 rate, that's 200, and you could do that. That's very achievable. As you can see here, I have $70 pending, and I completed this within right here 1:09 p.m. Pacific Standard to 3:59 p.m. Pacific Standard, so about 2.5 hours, $70 right there. If you add up all that within a month, that's over $600 of earnings, not including these additional $30 I've earned here as well. But user testing is a great website. I highly recommend. And if you really bust out on this website, you could generate a good $200 to $300 a month using this. Okay, and that's very straightforward, very easy to understand. The last three I want to recommend is Amazon Mechanical Turk, which is highly recommended on Beer Money. It's basically the Beer Money subreddit. It's basically micro tasks that you complete. There's a shit ton, literally, just pages of these little micro surveys, and you could just keep completing them until you build up hundreds of dollars and then withdraw it. And it's Amazon, so it's highly reliable, and no questions asked there. It's just going to be very tedious work. So that's very tedious, small pay, but large quantity in terms of Amazon Mechanical Turk, which I'm in the process of getting verified for. A similar website is Clickworker. This one does pay you $5 for signing up if you use the referral link in the description there once you earn $10. I haven't even earned $10 yet. I haven't used this website too much because I just actually signed up for it. But if you're an English speaker, you can complete the UHRS test, which amplifies your payouts and gives you better offers, along with all the basic offers here that range from anywhere from 30 cents all the way up to $40 at this moment. And look, you can even do a Google search for a realistic penis extension for 32 cents, baby, and a realistic penis sleeve for 32 cents. That's a steal if you ask me. With that being said, that pretty much sums up Clickwork. They pay out with PayPal on a weekly basis. I think the minimum payout's $5 on this website, but I've heard a lot of great things. I'm still new to it, so once I build up some consistency, I will come back around and review this. But I've heard you can make about $700 a month if you really put some time into this website. And then the last website I want to recommend is DScout. I'm still in the process of learning this website. I have yet to make money on here, but you complete little missions like user testing, which I've closed, and they're very picky on who they choose. But if you get chosen, you get 2 of these. Usually they pay from $50 to $120. So you get 1 or 2 of these research studies, and that's another $200 in the bank plus. And this is just a nice website to have on the back burner and check up, every 15-20 minutes, fill out a couple missions and see if you get approved. And that pretty much sums it all up, guys. This is just a full breakdown on actual websites that pay out, that are consistent, and will offer you a substantial form of income passively for about 15, max 20 hours of your time a month. Um, and it's a great way to diversify your income source. So that's pretty much it. If you really grind at this, you can really make maybe $2,000 a month. But at that point, you're just working too hard. This is realistically for someone trying to make 500 to 1,000 to $1,200 a month. You don't want to spend more than 20 hours to 25 hours doing this, okay? So the goal is 10 to 20 hours a month max. Bust out these surveys, bust out, the Mechanical Turk, do the swag bucks offers, and you got, your bankroll built for your poker tourneys, or you got a nice vacation money saved up there. With that being said, guys, that's pretty much all I wanted to say. I hope this video offered some value. I haven't made a video in so long, so hopefully this wasn't boring and dry. I really wanted to get this out there to the public to inform people of a lot of these great websites that they're missing out on, and hope that I could share my knowledge with you and help you generate some income. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. If you know any other great websites or have any recommendations, feel free to let me know. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching. Take care. Peace.